Hello, I'm going to continue with the new nature spirit photos I've taken, and here is one photo. You can see this. Looks like another dragon, doesn't it? You see an eye here, and the nose, the head. I think no. And here's another nature spirit. If it's flying or something. See here? Beautiful colors. There. Looks like it's whooshing in. And the next, there's another one of the dragon. There's my cat. There. See here? And you can see the eye here of another creature. So perfect eye. See it? Here, there, here. And the dragon. And there again. And let's see here if it's this one. Yeah, it's a bit darker photos. You can see here. This is just so amazing because it's so perfect. Can you see the eye here? Such a perfect eye. So amazing. And there's another eye over here. There's a smaller eye there. And there's a face in here. See this face here? Eye, nose, mouth. Perfect face. There's another eye here. So let's get the next one. And here's the little guy sitting here. This is so cute. There's an eye over there. Zoom in. He looks so cute. Sitting there with some sort of hat or something. And here's the, I don't know, looks like a wizard type spirit. And here's another face you can see here. Perfect face. Let's get the next. Oh, here you can see it almost looks like a dog. Here. Nose, eyes. Well, corners are. Here. Here's another photo. And it's over here. This cute little goblin type face. See here? The big nose, the eyes. Looks like he has a beard. Cute! Isn't it? And also other faces around here. Well, I think that was about it for now. Take care. Love and light. Bye bye.